Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can leave a comment in the website editor on Webflow. For example, for a co-editor with instructions. So let us dive into this. So head over to the website project you are given access to here in a Webflow website designer. So to access the comment section, click into that comment speech bubble in the top right or use the shortcut C. Next, you may position your comment, for example, next to that image here, and leave or add a comment like, I don't know, do this or that. For example, if that's, I don't know, an instruction for a co-editor, click into post, and then you will see the comment here listed to the right for the given page. Here, the overview, and others will also have the opportunity to add a comment to this to reply. And you can also mark these comments as resolved. If it's, for example, if the given user has already replied to it, you may also close it here and leave the comment in there. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see the thumbnail here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.